Okay, so next up we have Eavesdrop for White Lotus. In this mission, we need to take the discrete radio transmitter from the Ashika town center dead drop, then plant it on top of the Shadow Company ship, and finally upload the radio's frequency to an upload station after it's planted. This is quite a loaded mission, but it's very simple to do. What we need to do is search for and go to an Ashika Island DMZ map and head across to the town center dead drop to get started. Okay, so we've already started on the ships that I'm pretty sure we need to come back to, but we'll get back to this later. What we need to do is head across to the far west side of the map, all the way over here by the town center, where the gas station is just to the east. This is plus minus where the dead drop will be. So it's quite a jog away, but it's definitely not impossible. Cool, so the UAV expired, they're busy fighting right next to me. Let's see if we can slip in and grab the items from the dead drop just over here. Dead drop will grab the radio transmitter. So all we need to do is head to the top floor of the ship here, roundabouts in the stronghold. I don't think we need a stronghold keycard, but you may. I'll say that you don't, we just need to head to the top of it, hopefully. Otherwise, I'll be looking for a stronghold keycard. You know what, if we're lucky, we'll probably find one on the way. Here's the tower that we'll have to upload everything at, I'm pretty sure. And now just heading for the ship, we'll need to find a way up onto it, such as this zipline, for example, but to be prepared for tons and tons of pushback. So what we need to do is head to the top of the ship here. So around the front side, we'll head into the ship and up, or rather back and then up. So back inside on the second floor and out, then up once more. We're almost at the very top, inside, up, and now we're at the bridge, although I did pass the radio transmitter button. There we go. I pressed it and now we're done. It's super simple. It's just a bit of a mission to get up here in the first place. Now what we need to do is go ahead and upload the radio frequency information to an upload station. Now there was one here that we passed, but we're in a seriously populated enemy area. There's one on the extreme far northwest side of the map that I think will be better off doing this at. Well, it seems like they might just be extracting here, but nope, I'm getting sniped at. That is a certainty. Cool, well, let's definitely get out of here before we target it anymore. This is a dead end, so I need to come out this way, and we're free. Okay, let's head all the way across to the extreme opposite side of the map. Actually, we don't even need to. There's one here by the shipwreck. Literally any tower should work. Just get to it, climb all the way up to the top, and you should be able to upload your data. Okay, so let's give this a shot. So first of all, we'll find our way up this tower, hopefully safely, and once we're at the top, we can begin the upload. So typey. Now we need to wait for the upload to finish. This should be very quick. And there we go. That has been Eavesdrop. Thank you all for watching. Mine has been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time.